I'm Valerie Shah. We have everything. It's a one-stop shop for elders to kids, everything. And we have hampers specially curated for gifting, weddings, Rakhi, Diwali. We have very good mithais without essence, without sugar, for diabetics, even for the people who are looking for healthy options, even for, like, gifting purpose. We have different kind of makhanas for healthy options. We have amazing dried fruits which are naturally dried without sugar. So please come and try all the products, and we are happy to help you here. See you soon.
Hi, good morning. This is Priya Gaikwad, and I'm from Bombay, but residing here since last 3 years in Karanzalam. This is our store, as you can see. Its name is Tasya, and we have a lot of brands under the name, and we've tried to curate a lot of brands which are healthy, which are tasty, from Gujarat, from different parts of India. So we have makhanas, we have healthy cookies. So basically, we've tried to cover from masses to the classes. Everyone can drop in here, and will definitely find something that will suit them. Like for kids, we have some cookies, healthy snacks. So yeah, this is introducing my, and we just have the launch today. So we have some products that you can see around, and even the tasters are there. People are coming in and they're loving it. We're getting some good feedback. Especially mothers can take kids, for something for the tiffin for the kids. There's snacks, there is namkeen, there is mithai. Season is coming. It's round the corner, Raksha Bandhan. So we have some sweets also, which are again sugar free, and you can just opt for this variety and range of sweets. And that is again, it's we have sourced it from one of the best people. So please come in and try it out for yourself, and feel free to give us a review.
ताशा जगदीश जो म्हणटा तो जगदीश हो ब्रँड हो गुजराताक भरपूर फेमस आणि हो ब्रँड जो आसा एक क्वॉलिटी खातीर वळखलो गेलो वता. तो आयज हांगा गोंयान हांगा तालिगांव आयिल्लो आसा आणि आयज तांचें उक्तावण जाता. अशे सगळे ब्रँडेड प्रोडक्ट्स आसात जांच्यांनी आपली क्वॉलिटी मेंटेन केल्या ते गोंयान येतात आणि त्याच बरोबर आपले एक नवें मार्केट तयार करतात. हांव तांकां आयचे फर्स्ट तांचे हांगसरले तांकां आयज शुभेच्छाय करता आणि तांच्या वेवसायाक आनीक तशी पाका फुटची म्हणटकीर आणि तातूंतल्यान आमचे हांगसरले थोड्यांक रोजगार निर्माण जावची मागता आणि तांकां परत एकदां शुभेच्छा दिता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.